Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got another nice lineup for you, and again, they are all free. All right, you all, let's check these watch faces out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, it is the weekend. We're trying to get you ready, and hopefully you're ready. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's check out these watch faces that I think are super boss, and to let you know in the door, all the watch faces are free again, and I'm telling you, I think you're gonna like these. Make sure you hit me in the comment section below though, and let me know your thoughts. All right, so with this one, the name of the watch face is called Lumen Minimalist. I'm liking this watch face. It can be used as a casual watch face and or dressy in my opinion. Now in always on mode, it's going to be dimmed down slightly, but you're still going to get the same look. The index that's going around the bezel of the watch is going to light up. When the watch face is on, I like the way the hands light up as well. This is definitely a good look, but I'm very surprised that a watch face like this is free. So we're going to thank the developer and give them 2 thumbs up for the donation. And I'm thinking, guys, this one is worth the download in the Gear Manager store. But if we tap on it, it brings up a saying, Partridge, fight with Partridge. I thought that was really nice. But then if you look at it in its normal state, you still get an inscription down at the bottom as well. I like what the developer did. And again, I like that the watch face is free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. But let's check out watch face number 2. Last but not least, people, watch face number 2. Number 2 is nice. I'm liking this one. Very simple and free. Now, the name of this watch face is called Simple Gear Sport 2.1. Now, in always on mode, I like the look. I like how they laid this one out. And when the watch face is on, you greet it with the day, the date. You get your digital time across the top. You get to all your step status info, floors, climbs, calories burned, your steps, things of that nature. And you get your battery percentage all the way down at the bottom as well. So what I'm liking about it also, I can customize the color. Double tap on the floors. And I can get different colors to customize on this watch face. I thought this was very nice. And I thought it was very usable. Very nice. But we're going to cycle through. We're going to let it land right there. But you can also go into your shortcuts. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm going to tap over here on 14. You go into your settings. So I'm thinking this was a good look. A very good look. What do you think, guys? Considering that it was free, tell me, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Again, enjoy your weekend. Relax. Have fun. Party. But be safe. All right, you all, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.